All right, so we're going to talk about how to activate and use your joystick. Mostly going to be like a docking type situation. In order to activate it, you're just going to hit the joystick button on the side of it, and then you're going to see joystick activated on all your electronics, and then a thrust limit. With the plus and minus sign on the joystick, you can increase and decrease your level. I like to run the joystick on 5 because the joystick is pressure sensitive. So the harder you press it over, the harder the engine's going to work. I'll demonstrate now. There's the sea buoy there. So think of it as a small boat. Like that's what I want the bow to do. So if I want the bow to go that way, I'm just going to turn the joystick. And you're going to see the boat turning itself completely around. You can also drive the boat at slow speeds with the joystick, so you just want to push it forward, and you see the boat is actually moving forward. And you can also turn it while you're holding it forward. That allows the boat to turn left and right without touching the steering wheel. If you want to stop the boat, just bump the joystick back and hold it. That puts both motors in reverse and stops your forward progression. To make the boat go sideways, you're going to hold it sideways, and then if you notice the bow is lagging to port or starboard, you can turn the joystick in that direction, and it allows the bow to catch up with the rest of the boat. Really cool feature, makes the boat very easy to dock. You just have to be careful with it.